Hi everyone, welcome back to Essay Kicks and Reviews. Today we're diving into some awesome educational gadgets for kids. Whether you're a parent looking for a learning tool or a gift idea, we'll be reviewing and testing different educational tablets, learning boards, and digital writing pads. So this is the Educational Kids tablet. This is the Kiddies Learning laptop. This is the writing board, and those are your digital pads. So we're going to be reviewing, demoing them to give you an idea for a great gift and something good to get your kid.
For learning and creativity.
So this is the learning tablet. So as you can see, the tablet has a little screw at the back. This is an educational tablet, guys. So we need to remove the screw. That's the back cover to keep the batteries from falling out. It takes a star screw. So we're going to open that up. Now this Kiddies tablet takes 3 batteries, guys. It takes 3 AA batteries. I suggest using good quality batteries to get optimum performance from this Kiddies educational tablet. And judging by all the features that are on this tablet, as well as its high-end functionality, it will definitely require strong batteries. So 3 batteries, in it goes. And now we're going to put the screw back on to avoid the batteries falling out and make it extremely safe when your kid is using this. Guys, this Kids Educational Touch tablet is super engaging. It plays songs, teaches phonics, and even has a basic math function. Also teaching them how to spell and learn words. So this is the Kiddies Educational Learning Tablet, guys.
Hello.
That's to switch it on and off. You can increase or decrease your volume. That's to decrease it down to the last setting. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So as we can see, this button on the top that says number song. That was the number song and alphabet song button, guys. Numbers on the top can also be used as a piano, depending on the setting, to play a piano or say your numbers.
Can you find the number 3? 3.
This gives the kids a little
Can
test
you find the letter
to find their
F?
numbers. And now to find their alphabets in a very fun, informative way.
Can you find the word cat?
Feature called Word Test to help them learn words.
Can you find the word zebra? Zebra. Good. Bye-bye. Hello. What's 4 minus 3? 1. Good. What's 4 plus
Aid the kids
5?
in mathematics and teach them mathematics.
9. Good.
This is to help them with their spelling, guys. Very, very informative.
E L E P H O N E. Good. Can you spell the word bye-bye? Hello. Can you find the number 9? F L X. What's 1 plus 2? 10, 9, 8. What's 7 minus 1? 1, 2, 3.
The kids are learning, guys, and you hear that sound, it means the answer is incorrect, which will also encourage them to get the right answer. That was the kids' educational tablet, guys. I think it's an excellent product. Very, very informative. Aids in your kids' learning. And now we're going to be doing the digital writing tablet pad. So it comes with a stylus on it. Well, it's not too big in size. It has a switch for your writing to remain or for it to be cleared. This is perfect for travel or quick notes. It's mess free and it definitely saves on paper. So the stylus, it's not sharp at all. It slots into the side. Very safe for kids. Now, as you can see, with merely touching the stylus onto the board, you can write. Your kids will be able to learn how to write. With just a click of a button, it erases all of the information that you've written. Definitely an excellent device. And you click it, it erases it. And this is the exact same tablet, guys. As you can see, you can write on it whatever you'd like. As you can see, perfect for practicing writing and drawing. And that's a switch in the back. If you flick the switch and now you press the erase button, it will not erase. It will save what has been written until you flip the switch again. And then you click on the erase button and now it's gone. This helps the kids to keep that important drawings or show their first number or alphabet that they've written or their drawing. That's to save it, that switch. So that's it for the digital writing pads. A very useful tool. And this is the kids learning laptop. This one mimics a real laptop, guys. It has an alphabet keyboard, number buttons, and pre-installed learning games. Perfect for introducing letters and words. So I just press the on button. That's how you switch it on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now you can see on the left, letter, word, 1 to 10. It has a music icon as well. An increase on the left or decrease on the right.
Hello, hello.
It has 4 intelligent quiz buttons, guys, that will definitely aid in learning.
Can you find the letter P? Good. Can you find the number 9? Can you find the number 9? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, P, Q,
As you can see, it's recommended for 4 years and older, guys. And now switching your number section of your keyboard to a piano. And now with the music feature, all of your alphabets turn into a song, piano song.
Apple.
And now your phonics, as you engage your alphabet, you can see a picture as well as the correct spelling on the top. There is stickers around the display, and on the display, a little display screen in the center, your numbers and alphabets will appear to better teach and understand.
Bye-bye.
And that's it for the kids learning laptop, guys. Definitely an excellent product. Will definitely teach your kid to learn numbers, words, and quizzes. And this is your kiddie's magnetic drawing board. Very simple to use, great for doodling and writing practice. The eraser slide is smooth, as you can see at the bottom. It has one stylus pen that's red, and you just write on the tablet, practice your writing or your drawing. As you can see, and one swipe of the eraser and now it's clean again. Also a very affordable product, would also make a very good gift for your kid. It feels of good quality as well. This model of this magnetic drawing board is made with quality. I know there are many versions of this, but this definitely is a good quality one. Very easy to use. That's the back of it, as you can see. Kids can definitely draw, erase, and use this repeatedly. Great for early creativity. All of these are solid choices for early education, guys.